going on, guys? Back with another video. In this video we're gonna be replacing these, which I know some of you know what these are. These are the heater core connections that connect in there. As you can see, one of mine is already broken. Yeah, I'm gonna replace both while I'm at it with the metal ones. So this is the hose that I had. As you can see, it's broken. So we're gonna replace them. They're originally plastic. I'm gonna replace them with these stainless steel ones. That one's still good condition, but if this one broke, that one's soon to follow. You know how it is. So let's get straight into it. Just gotta find a way to get this one out of here. Just like that. So this is actually another day. I realized I didn't have the right tool to take off the heater core connections, so I went to buy this one. This is the right tool to get the heater core connections. I will leave the part number in the description, as well as the part number for the heater core connections that are stainless steel. And yeah. Over there, you just make sure it's snapped onto the thing right, closes, and then it's just gonna push into here. Make sure it snaps in. Then I'll push those tabs down, and you just take this off. And putting them is pretty easy. Just gonna grab. Camera ended up dying when I was installing them, but here is the clip of them with them installed. I do recommend taking both of them out before installing any of them. I had put on the right one before taking off the old plastic left one, and there was no room for the tool, so I ended up taking off the right one again to take off the old left one off. And once both are off, you just get the new stainless steel heater core connections and make sure they click on. So you're going to push it. It's going to take some force, but once you hear that snaps on, you're good to go to put your hoses back on. And yeah, that's how it looks. They're stainless steel. They shouldn't break, and it cleans up the engine bay up a little better too. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.